Hi everyone. So today, as you can see, we'll be covering Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita part 3. So in this part 3, we'll be covering new sections that have been added in this act and also the sections that have been repealed. So before going into this video, already part 1 and part 2 are covered regarding introduction and also the applicability of BNS Act. So those links will be given in the description. So if you haven't covered that, you can go for part 1, part 2 and then part 3 to understand this act much better. So as you can see, these are the newly added sections for BNS. So these sections are given as follows. So remember this is one of the important things, and a question can also be asked, what are the newly added sections in coming up JCJ exams under mains also. So you have to remember the list of sections and the context which has been given or which has been inputted in the BNS Act. So section 2 clause 3 defines child. So this is one of the new definition that has been added in the BNS Act. The next one, community service under section 4, clause F has also been added. So community service is one of the important short answer question can also be asked. So section 48, abetment outside India for offence in India. Section 69, sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means. Section 95 of BNS speaks about hiring, employing or engaging a child to commit an offence. And one of the most important sections, mob lynching. Section 103, subsection 2. So this is one of the very most important section, and it can also be asked as a short answer. So all the important sections from the newly added sections will make a separate video so you will understand the concept better. So do not worry. In this video, we are just covering at a glance so that you will understand what are the sections and what is the context in it. So next one, section 106, subsection 2, causing death by negligence. Again, one more important section, section 111, which speaks about organized crime. This has also been added. And 112, petty organized crime, one of the other important sections. The next section is 113, Terrorist Act has been mentioned under this section, and 117 of subsection 3 and 4, voluntarily causing grievous hurt. So this has been explained better under these both subsections. So 152, acts endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. So the next set of sections that has been newly added under BNS are 195 subsection 2, assaulting or obstructing public servant when suppressing riot. And next one, 197 section, under which subsection 1 and clause D, imputations, assertions prejudicial to national integration. Section 226, attempt to commit suicide to compel or restrain exercise of lawful power. Section 304 of BNS, snatching. Mischief is already there, but here you have to remember section 324, subsection 3. So some related context is added related to this subject, mischief. See, whatever the sections or the context which you have been knowing that these particular terms are already there, that means in those subsections or in those clauses, some extra input is given regarding that context. So this is a newly added thing from that particular definition or for that particular explanation. So 341 subsection 3 and 4 have also been added. Making or possessing counterfeit seal, etc., with intent to commit forgery, punishable under section 338 and 358, last section, repeal and savings. So all these sections are newly added sections for BNS. So you have to remember all these sections, either the context is added or inside the subsection can be added from the previous one, or some explanation can be modified. So all these are newly added sections for BNS. Now coming to repealed sections, that means these sections are deleted sections. So these sections are deleted from IPC, right? So we are seeing what are the sections that are deleted in IPC. So these sections are referring to Indian Penal Code. So these section numbers are from IPC. So don't get confused. Newly added sections are referring to BNS, and the repealed sections are stating in IPC. So from IPC you have removed these sections. So these section numbers are referring to IPC. So section 14 of IPC is removed, which speaks about servant of government. Section 18, the term India, is removed. Section 50 speaks about terminology section, and 53A, construction of reference to transportation. Section 124A, sedition. Section 153 capital A, twice, punishment for knowingly carrying arms in any possession or organizing or holding or taking parts in any mass drill or mass training with arms. Section 236, abetting in India the counterfeiting out of India of coin. Section 237, import or export of counterfeiting coin. Section 238, import or export of counterfeiting of Indian coins from 264 to 266. So this is basically chapter 13 in IPC. So this entire chapter has been deleted. Offense relating to weights and measures. This is the chapter name. So these sections, the entire chapter has been removed. 309, attempt to commit suicide, have been removed. This section has been removed. And 310, thug. So this explanation is also been, this section have also been removed. So there are few other more sections that have been removed and not have been added in any form or under any section or subsection in BNS. So few other sections are 377 IPC, unnatural offences, 444, lurking house trespass by night, 446, house breaking by night, 497, adultery, 376 DA, punishment for gang rape of women under 16 years of age, and 376 DB, punishment for gang rape of women under 12 years of age. So these are the repealed or the deleted sections from IPC. You no longer find it in BNS. So hope you have got a good explanation regarding what are the new sections added and what are the sections that have been deleted from IPC. So coming up in next video, we will discuss community service, what is mob lynching, and many other interesting concepts. So hope you like this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for much more exciting context.